1525, Mirabello Park near Pavia. The Italian Wars, fought bitterly for over 30 years by the Holy Roman Empire and France. Both sides claim ties by blood and deed to various Italian states and seek dominion over all of Italy. Spain, joining forces with the Holy Roman Empire, prompted a desperate France to launch an all-out assault on Milan, the wealthiest Italian state. After successfully wresting most of Milan from imperial control, King Francis moves his French army towards the last corner of imperial resistance, the city of Pavia. King Francis waits in his camp with his formidable gendarme cavalry near the main road into Pavia. He has deployed the majority of his army across the park, including a force of infantry to guard Mirabello Manor. The greatest challenge awaiting the imperial force is the heavily guarded French cannons, positioned to protect the French king. However, all hope is not lost for Pavia's imperial garrison. Even now, General Charles de Lannoy leads a relieving army of imperial and Spanish troops. Amongst them, musketeers and arquebusiers equipped with new, powerful firearms. Under orders from General de Lannoy, the Spanish army boldly moves to destroy the French cannons to the left of the manor. The imperial forces move toward the French king's camp, determined to capture or kill the French sovereign. The Spanish musketeers shoulder their arms and move to support their imperial comrades, bracing for the bloody battle to come. The situation for the Holy Roman Empire is desperate, but defeat against the ambitious French is not an option. Here, today, at Pavia, the Empire must prevail.
General's bodyguard!
The rash French choose to attack us head-on! Let's give them a dose of imperial pike and shot!
Forward!
The French king flees! Is he really that spineless? Or does he have a plan?
Landsknechts! En avant! Engage the enemy! We are being attacked! Gunners!
Landsknechts! 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 Onward! Onward! Move out! The French have dealt our Spanish allies a severe blow. We must brace, for a new wave of enemies lies dead on the field. Now let us finish off the rest of his men, and enter Pavia as heroes!
We are being attacked! Forward!
Halberdiers! Onward! Halberdiers! Attack! Halberdiers! 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 My God! General Delanoy has been killed. We must carry on the orders of the Emperor and crush these French Schweine! Charge! a bitter taste in the mouths of all the Empire's warriors.